In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set default styles in Mailchimp so your emails look consistent and on brand every time. This approach is faster, cleaner, and ensures every content block follows the same visual rules without you having to adjust each one manually. Once you're in the email builder, head to the Styles tab. Think of this as your control center for the overall look and feel of your email. Everything you set here, backgrounds, headings, text, links, and buttons, will automatically apply across all blocks in your layout. Start with background colors. Set the page background first, then the main body background for the email itself. Choose colors that match your brand while keeping readability in mind. High contrast between background and text is essential for clarity and accessibility. If you're using a dark background, make sure your text and links are bright enough to stand out. Next, refine your headings. Define fonts, sizes, weights, and colors for headings like H1, H2, and H3. Establish a clear hierarchy so your main headlines are bold and prominent, while subheadings are slightly smaller. Consistent headings help readers quickly scan your content. Then move to your body text styles. Choose a font that aligns with your brand and is easy to read on screens. Adjust the size, line height, and paragraph spacing to keep longer sections comfortable to read. If your brand uses a custom typeface, set a reliable fallback font to ensure your emails display properly across different devices and email clients. Now set your link styles. Pick a link color that stands out from your body text, and consider keeping underlines for better visibility, especially on mobile devices. Links should always be easy to identify at a glance. Finally, style your buttons. Define the default button color, text color, font, corner radius, and padding. Make sure there's a strong contrast between the button and its text so your calls to action are clear and easy to spot. Consistent button styling helps guide readers toward the next step. As you configure each setting, remember these are global styles. They automatically apply to all blocks, helping you maintain consistency and saving time when making updates later. Once you're happy with the design, save it as a template. This allows you to reuse your default styles in future campaigns without starting from scratch. Give it a clear name and treat it as your brand standard. And that's it. Your default styles are now set, and your emails will look more professional and consistent moving forward. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and practical tutorials.